So guys, today I am gonna show you the 2 secret places in Liftopia. There are many, but I know only 2. So I will tell you in the future videos. So now let's start in the Liftopia. The first secret place is in the mall. In the mall there is a place where you can see outside but others can't see inside. And the other place is in the police station, which is there is a criminal escape area from where you can escape from the jail. So now first I will tell you about the mall. So first what you need to do is go upstairs from here. Let's go upstairs from this elevator. Then you will see a Super Burger shop. You need to go there, and from the Super Burger shop there is a refrigerator type of thing from where you can go. So here we have a Super Burger shop and we just need to go inside. So once we get inside, there is a thing over here. Others normal people who don't know the secret will think that this is a refrigerator. No, this is a secret way. So I open this secret way and just get inside. And here we go. So we are climbing upstairs and we are just over here. So now I will show you that others can't see inside but we can see outside. This is a perfect secret room. So here you can sleep also and keeps your secret stuff. And there is a telescope also. So I will show you that we can see outside, but I go see. This is blue. So others can't see you inside, but you can see outside. And from here you can see outside. And there here is a telescope also, from where you can see the whole city like this. You can see the whole city from the police station to the highway. And the top of everything you can see. So let's go to the other secret place, which is at the police station. In the police station, the place is like you can escape. If you are captured from a police, you can escape from there. So let's go inside this and let's escape. Now in the police station, the area is where you can escape if the police has kept you in one of the prisons. You can escape, and that way opens up to the side of the police station, and the entrance is in every prison. There is an entrance and there is an underground way, and it will end up in the side of the police station. So let's go to the police station. Let's go. It is a far away. So after entering the police station, you need to go in any of the prisons. There you will see a type of a manhole. You need to just open it and go inside it, and you will come out in the parking lot of the police station. I will show you how. So we have reached the police station and we will go inside. Let's go inside. After going inside, you will see some two prisons. Yes, 2 prisons. You need to go from this side and enter the prison part. The prisons are behind the police station. So you need to just go behind the police station and to the third one. These two police station prisons lead to the way of the secret criminal escape area. So you need to go inside this and see. Here is a manhole type, but it's a secret way. It's not a manhole. You can after entering it, you can just click on it and just close it. And if you want to go in, you can just open it and jump into it. Let's go. We need to go just inside like this, and we have reached it. And here is the second entrance of the second prison. There are 2 prisons in this police station. So the 2 prisons each entrance for two prisons. And the exit is over here. You just need to go over here like this, and inside sometimes a gate would be closed, so you need to just click on it, but for me it's not closed. So let's go. You just need to click on this to open it and close it. Other people will think that this is a manhole, but this is an exit of the secret escaping area of this police station. Thank you guys. I just wanted to show you too, and as I will learn the secret places, I will show you. Thank you guys. Please subscribe.